Welcome. If you're ready to give your Pinterest app a fresh, eye-friendly look, switching to dark mode is the way to go. Dark mode not only looks sleek, but also makes browsing easier on your eyes, especially in low-light environments. Let's walk through the updated steps to enable dark mode on your Pinterest mobile app. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in, so any changes you make are saved to your account. Next, head to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture, usually found at the top of the screen. This will take you straight to your personal Pinterest space, where all your saved pins and boards are just a tap away. Now, look for your profile picture at the top of your profile page and tap on it once more. This action opens up your account options and settings. From here, scroll down and tap on Account Management. This section is where you can control various aspects of your Pinterest experience, including privacy, security, and of course, your app's appearance. Inside Account Management, find and tap on App Theme. This is the setting that lets you choose how Pinterest looks on your device. You'll see three options: System Default, Light, and Dark. To activate dark mode, simply tap on Dark. Instantly, your Pinterest app will switch to a darker theme, making it much more comfortable to browse, especially at night or in dimly lit rooms. That's all it takes. You've successfully enabled dark mode on Pinterest mobile. Enjoy exploring your favorite ideas and inspirations with a new look that's easy on the eyes. If you ever want to switch back, just follow these steps again and pick the theme you prefer. Thanks for tuning in. If this guide helped you, consider sharing it with friends who might want to try dark mode too. Happy pinning!